All ship in sea area. Alpha to calling container vessel bearing at 105 degrees from Philippine Sea distance of 4.6 nautical miles. Depart radio control Alpha, over.
Port radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel in position bearing 185 degrees from Philippine Sea distance 4.6 miles. How do you read me? Over.
MOL Triumph vessel, this is Port radio control Alpha. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Request switch to BHP channel 12, over.
Radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel. Request received. Agree to switch BHF channel 12, over.
MOL Triumph vessel, this is Port radio control Alpha. What is your ETA at port situation, over.
Port radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel. My ETA at port station is 2300 hours local time, over.
Alpha, what is your call sign, over.
Port radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel. My call sign is November Whiskey Foxtrot 9, over.
MOL Triumph vessel, what is your last call port at gross tonnage, over.
Port radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel. My last call of port was Japan and my gross tonnage was 1 power 5.9 tons, over.
MOL Triumph vessel, your message understood, nothing more. Thank you. Have a pleasant voyage to Manila, over.
Port radio control Alpha, this is MOL Triumph vessel. Thank you. Have a good watch, over and out.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I know.